Simple tips and tricks for acid reflux relief. Acid reflux is a very common problem for people around the world. Knowing as much as you can about this health problem could help you decrease your level of discomfort from the symptoms. Below, you will find many tips about acid reflux and how to decrease the symptoms suffered from it. You may need to balance out hydrochloric acid amounts in your body if you want to reduce acid reflux and its symptoms. You can do this, for instance, by using sea salt rather than table salt. Sea salt has chloride and minerals that are good for the stomach and prevent acid. The most significant factor attributed with acid reflux is being overweight. Those who are obese are 2 times more likely to have GERD than someone who is at a healthy weight. The pressure on your stomach of all the extra pounds can cause the esophageal sphincter to relax, allowing acid to give you trouble. When you eat high-fat foods like fried chicken, your stomach empties very slowly. This allows it to become distended and your esophagus may fill up with acid. Choose healthier foods like lean proteins or beans to avoid this situation, and you should be able to control your acid reflux like a pro. To help avoid acid reflux, take your time and chew your food slowly. This technique helps you to avoid overeating. When you overeat, food is pressed in the top of your stomach, thus, it allows stomach acids to build up in your esophagus. For best results, eat small meals often. Stay upright after eating. It can be quite helpful if you stay sitting or standing for at least 2 to 3 hours after you eat a meal. This will give your food time to digest and help keep your acid reflux symptoms down to a minimum. If you must lie down, do your best to elevate your body above your waist. The food you consume each day will make a difference in your reflux. Avoiding acidic foods, peppers, greasy foods and alcoholic beverages could help. These foods and drinks could be causing the problem. Also, avoid eating less than 3 hours before your bedtime. Going to bed with a full stomach could make for a rough night and morning. People with acid reflux should not lie down after eating a great deal of food. When you lay down, your digestive tract can sometimes have difficulty with the food you have consumed. Remaining in a seated position allows you to bypass the unpleasant effects of acid reflux. Limit the amount of drinks you have when you eat. Beverages can add volume to the food that you digest and increase how distended your stomach is. Having a full stomach puts some pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter, which is responsible for keeping food from getting back into the esophagus. This increases your chances for having reflux. To lower chances, take small sips when eating and try drinking your beverages between meals instead of during meals. You should now have a good idea of what acid reflux is and how it affects your life. The tips from above will help you in many ways. Apply what you have just learned and you will soon feel much better after you eat, while you sleep and each morning when you wake. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.